I've just got back from my Pilates class and I'm now going to make up my super greens drink for the day. Like many of you, you might be out of your WelleCo Super Elixir. I've been out of mine for a month now. So instead I'm using my Rejuv Super Greens powder, which is what I gave Elle originally gave Elle many years ago. So what I actually do is I mix it up with some good filtered water with a touch of some unprocessed sea salt, because that's really key for hydration. You can see our wellness water recipe on our website. I then take a nice generous heaped dessert spoon and I add that in, as well as some fresh celery and a nice good generous squeeze of lemon or lime. And depending on the day, I add in some cinnamon or cayenne pepper. Today I'm going to add in a bit of cayenne pepper. And then I mix it up, because in our Rejuv Super Greens powder, there's 45 ingredients. There's 12 different types of super greens, from barley grass, wheatgrass, chlorella, as well as spirulina. There's 10 superfoods, including baobab, as well as acai and acerola. There's 4 medicinal mushrooms, pre and probiotics, as well as a pre-sprouted enzyme blend, an additional enzyme blend, and all the vitamins and minerals you need for optimum fuel and functional support. So have a look at my latest blog with unpacking all the main components as to why super greens are great. I've been drinking super greens for 25 years. My children were conceived and weaned on them as well. So they're safe for everybody, but have a look at my latest blog, answering all the questions and all the information, so you can also scale up your physical and mental health by adding a super greens powder.